Hello yogis, it's Rosalie here, coming to you from the beautiful Asia Society in Hong Kong. And welcome to this relaxing 5-minute yoga flow for beginners. This is a really nice flow to do first thing in the morning to wake your body up, or maybe in the evening just to unwind from a stressful day. We're going to get started today in a lying position. Just go ahead and stretch your legs out, bring your arms by your sides. Just for a few breaths, allow your eyes to blink closed. Fill yourself up as you inhale. Exhale, just release any tension. Inhale, filling yourself up. Exhale. One more big inhale here, biggest one you've taken all day. And as you exhale, go ahead and reach your arms up and overhead, point through the toes, give yourself a really nice big stretch. And we're just gonna bend the knees. Draw that right knee in towards the chest, and then bring the right ankle on top of the left bent knee. Start to bring the left thigh in towards your chest, reach your arms through, interlacing your fingers, just add a little sway here from side to side. Feel that nice opening through your right glutes, your right hip. Give your leg a little squeeze, your left thigh as much as you can. Exhale, release the left foot down, and as you inhale, we're going to reach the right leg up towards the sky. So it doesn't matter where your hands go, just wherever they go. The sole of the right foot's up towards the sky. Very gently draw the right thigh in towards the chest. Again, it might feel good to add a little sway from side to side. If your hand's down here, perfectly fine. It doesn't matter where your hand is. Just soften and release the back of the leg. Good. Let's go ahead and rebend that right knee. We're going to straighten the left leg out. The left hand comes on the outside of the right knee. So you draw it over towards the left. Your right arm comes out to the side. Turn your gaze over towards the right. It's a nice big twist here. We're going to inhale to center. Draw the left knee in towards the chest. Let's add a little sway from side to side. And we're going to do all of that on the other side. So we're going to drop the right foot on the mat. The left ankle comes on top of the right knee. Really push the left knee away. So you draw the right thigh in towards the chest, interlacing your fingers around the right shin. Little sway here from side to side. Good. Bring that right thigh as close as you can towards your chest. And as you exhale, release the right foot down. Float the left leg up towards the sky. The sole of the foot goes up towards the sky. Hands go behind the leg. Doesn't matter where they are. Again, a little sway from side to side, just softening and releasing the back of the leg. All right, let's come into that twist. We're going to bend the left knee. Straighten the right leg down. Take the right hand on the outside of the bent knees. You draw it over towards the right. Your left arm comes straight out on the mat. Turn your gaze towards the left. We're going to inhale everything back to center. Bring your hands behind your thighs. Just going to roll through the spine here. So really round through your whole back. Just a few times. And the next time you come up, come all the way up. And we're going to meet now in a tabletop position. So coming onto your hands and knees. I want you to keep your hips exactly where they are above the knees. We're just going to walk the hands out in front of us, placing the forehead down onto the mat. So really reach through the fingers here. Have lots of length through the arms. And with every exhale, just soften the center of your chest down a little bit more. One more breath. Good, and as you exhale, press yourself back here up into a tabletop position. We're going to do a few rounds of cat-cow. So take a nice big inhale to draw out the belly and look up. Exhale, press the palms into the mat, tucking in the chin, the tailbone. Inhale to look up, heart up towards the sky. Exhale, round through your upper back, press the palms down. One more, just like that, big inhale. Exhale, pressing the palms down. We're going to meet back in a neutral spine, big toes together, knees wide apart. Send your hips back, walk your hands forward. Stay high up on the finger pads here, so make little tents with your hands. Little sway from side to side. And then release it down, bringing your palms flat on the mat, letting your whole body just soften down with every exhale. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed that. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the little bell to be notified every single time I post a new video. And I'll see you in the next class.